Okay, welcome muli po sa gabi ito. Good evening po, basketball fans. Game night sila po tayo. Friday night basketball action. First game po tonight po, it's between Oryx clad in black or the Black Boys or the Men in Black. And of course, Team White po tayo. Yan po ang The Hub. Ayan. Okay. This is your Aviation Friendly League, Dabas of Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors. Team LBC Harin Padala. And of course, Team X Halip Padala. And of course, nandiyan po ang SPB-ARA or Ako Representation and PSBQ Basketball League. Saan po natin po ang Thread and Needles. And of course, first game for tonight between The Hub versus Oryx Basketball Team. Followed by, ano po natin, The Mechanicals and In-Flights. And last game for tonight po is Sky Team versus The Projects. Yan. Mamaya po, pinakuli po, Battle of the Newbies yan. Mga bagong team po, mamaya. Yan. Okay, first game now, about to start right now. The Men in Black. Yan po sila Team Labrado, si Barbosa, si Captain Barbosa, nandiyan din pala. And of course, yung skipper po, si Mr. Melvin. Yan, si Mr. Melvin po. Mamaya na po, ito po na po sa kabila po. Nandiyan po ang kanilang pinaka-pinuno po, si Mr. Dimac. Of course, ang sila De Padua, si Nipit at si Tirona. Yan po magdadala lang po sa team The Hub. Okay, now first step, we're just waiting now for the opening whistle. Sa kabilang pa, medyo beef up po ang kanilang nandiyan po si Mr. Masbang, si Natur, si Chudilax. And of course, nandiyan si Ruiz, yung kanilang lefty. At same time po si Mr. Pilau. And of course, nandiyan po yung pinaka-big man po, si Mr. Natur. Yan, yung kanilang pinaka-enforcer. Yan, yung pinaka-tambol mayor nila. Idol, yan, si number 89 po. Yan si Limkangko. And of course, si Pulintan, yung pinaka-skipper din ay number 1, Pulintan, si Labrado. We'll just wait now for the opening whistle. And coming up now is between The Hub versus yan po ang Team Oryx. Game night po tayo muli po to sa ating AFL Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as the Flying League. Okay. Si Rakain po is watching. Si Rap Kaso is watching already also. Magandang gabi sa mga boss, mga madam. And hoping you watch the show tonight. Wala pong matutulog. Kung kayo pinatok, magkape po tayo. Aga pa naman, magkapuno muna po tayo, baka tayo magkape. And first set po tayo, first quarter now, we're about to be called now. Between The Hub and Oryx Basketball Team. Men in Black versus the Men in White. Yan, gandang laban yan. Black and white combination po talaga tayo. Okay, first quarter about to start now. We're just waiting for the opening whistle. And for sure final instruction for both teams before they will start rumbling sa ating first game for tonight between The Hub and the Oryx Basketball Team. Sige, laban to. Antayin lang po tayo mga boss, ha. Tingnan mo natin po good yung zoom natin. Okay, we're just waiting now for the opening whistle before the start of the game. Before the kickoff. Okay, the referee is in. Both teams now corner. Both teams, of course, si Rep King and Company. SPB-ARA po yan. Ako, Rep Association for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Okay, first game by Scott po is already watching also. Boss Scott. Thank you po. And check-hands po and come out fighting for both teams. Okay, first quarter, nandiyan pa si Dimac, si Tirona, si 66, si Giro, at si number 5, si Najib. Sa kabila na po, first 5 po nila po. Yan, sino po yan? Of course, si Pulintan, si Melvin, si Natur, si Masbang, at si Archie, or si Gakad. Scott is watching, si Sir Torino Mendoza is also watching. Okay. Okay, Gakad and Company or Melvin, yung kanyang pinaka-skipper po. And Company po yan with Masbang. Gagamit yata sila ng Double twin tower combination para sa Oryx. Kabilang po, of course, typical running gun play ng The Hub. You're watching right now the AFL Aviation Friendly Dabas sa Flying League. First game po natin po is Hub and Oryx basketball team. Okay, nakuha ni Dimac agad ang bola. Dimac, fast break kay Valdez. Tirona, turnaround. Naku, nilabas. Balik muli po tayo. Ito na ba si Pulintan, binababa ang bola. Pulintan, zigzag si Melvin. Melvin to Pulintan. Latour, tumasbang, pumupisi si Masbang. Nope, ayaw niya. Masbang for 3. No good. Latour again for the rebound. Melvin, mataas ang pasa. And out of bounds. White. Black ball po tayo, sabi ng referee. Black ball. Si Sir Albert. Boss Albert, wala ka rito ngayon. Ano nangyari? Albert Marasigan is watching. Nandito si Torona. And to San Miguel. Tirona. 2 points Tirona. Tirona 2 points. The Hub now opening the game with 2-0. Pulintan. Melvin. Pulintan again. Masbang for 3. Long bomb. No good. Good ball. At si Miguel again. Tirona. Triple running gun plays in. And Tirona. Nando. May pader. Lumadlang. Nando si Latour. Melvin. 2 points Melvin 2 points. 2-all po tayo. 2-all at 8:30 remaining sa ating laban na ito. Dimac against Latour. Dimac. Valdez, kick out to Dimac. Nope, ayaw niya driving but may foul called, sabi ng referee. Okay. Latour called for a foul. Sabi ng referee, it's a foul called. And San Miguel, number 55 for the inbound. San Miguel for the inbound. Nando si Dimac na naman. Dimac for 3. No good. And rebound by Najib. Valdez. Traveling boko. Naipit si Valdez. And balik muli po tayo yun. Gaka to Pulintan. Kick pass again to Masbang. Yes sirree. 2 points. Easy to by Masbang. Double team. Triple team. Still completed by Gakad. Gakad again. Gakad 6 his way. Kick out kay Latour. 2 points again, Latour. Bank shots made by Latour. 2-6 kagad. 4-2 blast already. Been posted now by Team Oryx. 6-2. Pops up. Nope. It's out. And it's black. Black ball. Black ball? Black ball nga. Black ball. It's black. Black ball po tayo kay Pulintan muli from Archie Gakad. Pulintan, hounded by San Miguel against Nabida, Mr. Valdez and Latour. Driving strong. Kick pass. Naipit. Still completed to Tirona. Binababa ang bola. Tirona against Melvin to Dimac sa ilalim. Valdez. Dimac extra pass and one play made by Dimac. Sabi ni Sir Albert with the flexing muscles. Sabi niya, good luck po Team Oryx. Okay, shout out po sa Team Oryx. Kaya Sir Albert Marasigan with the flexing muscle. Dimac again, number 28 for the bonus free throw. Pops up. It's in. 5-6. 3-2 run. By Team Hub. 5-6 po tayo. Gakad. Basbang for 3. Yes sirree. 3 points. Basbang 3 points. 5-9. Laban muli po sa 4. Dimac again. Dimac against Melvin. Against Latour. Nope. It's San Miguel. Pops up for 3. No good. Gakad, naka-rebound. Tap away. Lumusot. Teka lang. Hinawi ni Gakad. Nahawi ni Gakad ang bola. Hawi boy, sabi na rin. Hawi boy. And Najib for the inbound. Najib to D-Mac. D-Mac again. D-Mac. D-Mac. Tirona. Tirona again. Tirona. Banging bodies to Najib. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Gakad. Gakad securing the ball. And again to Pulintan again. Against Valdez. Nakalusot. Pulintan. Pulintan. Oop! Si Daisy out of bounds. Okay, next 5. Calling out the next 5 po natin. Next 5 po tayo. D-Mac. Binababa ang bola. D-Mac. D-Mac. 28. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by Gakad. Gakad. Si Melvin humingi ng bola. Gakad. Tapos. Pulintan. No good. Najib. Lagi yung mag-isa si Masbang. Najib. Kapos. Tirona. Against Natur. Out of bounds. Same ball. Next 5. Next 5. Okay. Sa kabila na po. Papasok si Depadua and Nipit. Papalitan sino? Okay. Si Najib muna. Upo muna yata. At sino? Si Tirona. Kabila na po. Okay, si Mr. Captain Barbosa nandiyan na rin. Si Chudilax. Si number 23. Si number 89. At si Mr. Pilau. Mr. Pilau nandiyan na. Pilau. Okay, again. Now, do meron 2 blue white shirts on the run. 2 points by Valdez. Okay, Brian Dwight. Go Team Oryx. Okay, sabi ni Brian Dwight po yan. Shoutout kay Mr. Brian Dwight. Pilau, Euro step, no good. And out of bounds for Oryx. Team Oryx securing the letter. And Barbosa to number 89, 2 points. 3 points. Okay, 3 points nga. Confirm, 3 points po ni number 89. D-Mac against Barbosa. San Miguel. San Miguel driving. Valdez again. Valdez. Depadua. Depadua. Binuhat. 2 points. Aresila is watching. And Barbosa. Captain Barbosa. Barbosa. And number 23. 23. And Pilau. Barbosa. Number 89 for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by the Black Shirts. Pilau. Naipit. Tatlo sila. 3 on none. Okay, San Miguel. 2 points. Okay, lamang ng muli po ng isa po. 11-12. 3:32 remaining. Nando si Valdez. Nando si San Miguel. To Valdez again. Pops up si Miguel. Malakas. Nandito Chudilax and secure the ball. White ball. White ball. Okay, white ball inbounding. D-Mac. Depadua. Nipit. For 3. Pops up. Pasok ang bola kay Nipit. Okay, lamang muli po ang Team The Hub 14-12 out of the 3 points ni Mr. Nipit. And Pilau 14 again. Sasikutin. Pasok ang bola. Pilau 3 points also. 3 points Pilau. And di makulangan. Di makulangan. Dinabas ang bola. Barbosa. Barbosa. Number 23. Turn around. Pops up. No good. One more time. Nando ng white shirt. And binababa ni Valdez ang bola. Valdez. 6 seconds away. Valdez. Valdez. Foul called.
Number 5. Number 5 is the first personal foul.
Foul called for sure by Barbosa. And D-Mac for the inbound. 2:08:2:19 remaining sa ating game clock. San Miguel, Nipit again. Nipit against Pilau. Nipit. Pinato kay D-Mac. Malakas ang pasa. Sa itim muli mo ang bola. Black shirts. Barbosa. Binababa ang bola ni Barbosa. Barbosa. Pilau for 3 again. Nope. Rebound by Depadua. And D-Mac again. D-Mac binababa ang bola. D-Mac number 28. Di mo kulangan, zigzagging its way, nado sinipit, nado di mo kulangan, D-Mac, muntik na, kinapitan. 2 shots given para kay D-Mac. Handog kwempo ng Thread the Needles at Team LBC, hari ng padala. D-Mac, pops up, it's out. Okay, merong shoutout dito. Sabi ni Mr. Junicio, good luck po both teams. Okay. D-Mac again, 28, second throw, jumpers ready, pops up. No good. Rebound by Chudelax. Chudelax for the rebound. Barbosa. And Pilao, naipit, nipit. Jake pass kay San Miguel against Barbosa. 3-on-1 situation. Foul! Holding foul set by the referee. 2 fouls already for Mr. Barbosa. Oryx 14 fouls, 1 for penalty. D-Mac. Oy, traveling violation ka doon, boy. 1:16 remaining. First quarter going to a close. And Barbosa. Pops up Pilao. Ayaw. Pops up Pilao. No good. Rebound by D-Mac. And si Valdez. Binabamabon ni Valdez. Number 0. Valdez. For 3. Pasok ang bola kay Valdez. Valdez 3 points. Again, 2-point lead again ang Team Hub. Chudelax. Setting up the play. Number 83. Good ball. Deep nipit to Valdez again. 2-on-1 situation. De Padua. Foul again.
Foul number 5. That is your third personal foul, number 5.
Barbosa, third personal fouls. Penalty situation, Team Oryx. De Padua shooting for 2.
Padua the line, shooting for 3.
De Padua shooting for 2 po tayo. Number 20, De Padua shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in.
First bucket.
Okay, biggest lead so far for Oryx, 3 points. And De Padua again, number 28, pops up. It's in.
Second round,
It's in nga.
2 out of 2 para kay Padua.
Padua, 2 shots given. Ray Cream is watching. And Pilao against Valdez. Awa ng pick. Number 89, 69. Pops up Chudelax. No foul set by the referee. And D-Mac. Nakakalusot. D-Mac 6. D-Mac. So yun.
Foul number 5. Number 5, that is your fourth personal foul.
Barbosa, fourth personal foul. One for graduate. Ang bata. D-Mac, kapos. D-Mac, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. 8 seconds remaining.
Entering the cleansing.
Okay. Di makulangan. Pops up. It's in. Nothing but net. Okay, 2015. Biggest lead so far. Barbosa. Pilao again against Valdez. Valdez. Naipit. And that's it. First quarter action is ended. Magbabalik po ang both teams po para po sa second quarter action. Okay, magbabalik po muli tayo ha. Teka lang. Okay, para ma-zoom natin muli. Okay, second quarter action. On the way po tayo between Oryx and Piyok and Team The Hub. The score is 20-15. 3 shots ng Oryx pumapasok. Second quarter action start right now. Okay. Okay, mas bang now. Coaching some insights. Okay, si Ruiz nandiyan, si Labrado, si number 1, si number 0, at si number 17 para sa Oryx. Sa kabila ng of course si Tirona, si Najib, si San Miguel, si De Padua at si Nipit. Okay. Sabido, that's number 17, Sabido for the inbound. Sabido. Oryx. Merong message si Scott. Sabi ni Scott, pag natalo Oryx yung Albert Dino Marsigan, may kasalanan. Sabi ni Scott, di kasi doon naglaro. Okay, balik tayo. San Miguel, number 55. Nipit. San Miguel. De Padua, driving. Nope, it's Nipit. Good ball. Number one, driving strong is Najib, naipit, kick out kay Labrado. 2 points sana, nilabas lang. 2 points lang, nilabas lang. Najib, number 5. San Miguel again, And Najib to Nipit again, Nipit. Malalim, foul nga lang, nako ng foul.
Committed by
Who's foul rep?
number 1. First personal foul.
Number 1, Eusebio. And Nipit. Number 8, shooting for 2. 9:05 remaining. Pops up. It's out. Hello, kid. What's up? Good? Cool. Okay, Nipit, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second try is good. 21-15. Biggest lead so far in the game is 6 points by Team Dahab. Montesilio, si Sir Joseph Montesilio is watching. Okay, eto na, pops up. Sabido, no good. Rebound, battle won by the Black Shirts. Labrado for the inbound. Labrado inbounding. Ruiz, pops up, no good. And rebound battle again. Number 0. Labrado again, Labrado, number 0. Pops up, number 0. Malakas. And Najib, binababa ang bola. Najib, 8:17 remaining. Najib, running shot, nope. Nice on the Padua, wala pa rin. Tirona, nawala ang bola kay Tirona. And, boy! Labrado 2 points. Napatid lang. Labrado 2 points, 21-17. Lamang po ng 4 ang team Dahab. And now, Tirona, naipit, may foul. Tinawagan ng foul, sabi ng referee.
Number one, that is your second personal foul. Second team foul on Oryx. Tirona, the line, shooting for you.
Tirona first shot, pops up, nope, ayaw. Tirona, second throw, jumper ready for Tirona. Tirona, second free throw, jumper ready po tayo.
Second try is for Tirona.
Second try is good. And Ruiz, foul si Ruiz. 7:40 remaining. Number 5 called for a foul, the team hub. Number 0. Eusebio pops up, no good. Rebound battle won by Oopsie Daisy. White shirts. Nice hustle play ni Nipit over Labrado. Sayang, hindi na nakuha. Labrado. Eusebio, foul block. And Najib again, Najib, 2 points Najib. Nice drive by Najib. Again, 24-17. 24-17, that's a 7-point lead advantage. Labrado, kapos. Again. Najib again. De Padua. Naku, kinapos. Depado muli. Tirona. Power move. Nawala kay Tirona ng bola. Swiped away by Mr. Labrado. Pinilit. Ayaw. Walang foul. Dave Perido is watching. Julius Babaga is watching. San Miguel. Tirona power move. Wala. Ano ba? Masobrahan. Tirona shooting for 2.
Foul number 10.
6:28 remaining. 24-17 ang score po natin.
First personal foul. Third team foul.
Tirona first shot. Wala.
Wala.
Tirona second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, Tirona. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up.
Second drive.
It's out. Rebound by number 7.
Number 17.
By Sabido. Ruiz again. Nawala kay Ruiz ang bola pero naando pa rin siya. Eusebio. Muntik na. Ruiz has a play. Nakalusot si Ruiz. Ruiz pops up. No good. Binato kay Najib. Siya lang mag-isa. Easy to. Nako! Mali.
Labrado.
Nagagalit ang mga bata. Labrado kick out pass kay Eusebio. Eusebio again. Malakas. Nipit. San Miguel. 5:47 remaining. Foul. Offensive foul po.
55. San Miguel, that is your first.
San Miguel, first personal foul. Ibang may pinagsabahan. Alam niyo na yun, sa kasunod.
Bawal bigsik kasi.
Hindi na. San Miguel.
Labrado.
Okay, Labrado number 14. 5:38 remaining. 24-17 na score pa rin natin. Labrado. Sabido. Palpal. Blocked by Nipit. Nice swipe by Nipit. 24-7 na score po natin. Labrado, Ruiz. Kick pass kay Eusebio. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle. Won by
Okay, it's fine.
the white shirts. Change 5 muli po tayo. Okay, sa kabila naman papasok naman si Valdez at si Dimac. Lalabas muna si San Miguel at si Najib. Kabila ng court, yung kanilang first lineup po nila. Nandiyan po si Natur, si Mr. Gakad, si Pulintan, si Melvin at si Masbang. Hub. Bola doon po ng hub. Ano ba to? Dave Perido, second quarter na, Sir Dave Perido. Lamang yung team, 24-17, lamang ng 7. Di makulangan, 28, pops up for 3. Kapos, rebound by Pulintan, binababa ang bola. Pulintan. Masbang again, thinking 3. No, malakas, rebound para by the black shirts. Foul call.
The ball, shot clock 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot.
Gakad. Kick pass kay Pulintan. Melvin. Pulintan. Natur. Buying bodies. Natur. 2 points. Sa wakas, nakasagot ng ang Orex. Foul called. Melvin called for the foul. 24 na ang score po natin. Dimac, binababa ang bola. Nipit. Dimac, binababa ang bola. Melvin. Walang pasok. De Padua. Valdez. Jolens. Okay. Pulintan. Natur, nawala ang bola. Kick pass kina Jib. Nope, it's D-Mac. D-Mac against Natur. Jamo. Natur, D-Mac. Malakas ang paa, malakas ang tira. Valdez. De Padua. Najib, foul. Muntik na. Again, foul on Melvin. Back-to-back fouls. Melvin Nadera, back-to-back fouls committed.
This is your first personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty po Team Oryx. 30-21 remaining. 26-10 yung score po natin. Najib, first shot. No good.
Wala.
Second throw ni Najib. Jumpers ready po tayo. Najib, second throw. Jumpers ready. It's wala. Rebound by D-Mac over Kakad. D-Mac. Oy, foul called. Take two. Who's foul rep?
Number 16.
Number 16.
That is your second
That,
personal.
Al Natur called for a foul. Penalty situation still. 3:15 remaining. D-Mac, first shot. Kapos. D-Mac, second throw. D-Mac, second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. 3:15 remaining. And a timeout called by Team Oryx. Ah, sorry, dahab pala. Time. This is your aviation friend Doubles of Flying League. Would like to take the following sponsors: Team LBC, Harry Padra, and Fred. Dito saan po natin po dyan ang SBBA, RA, and PSB Basketball League. First game po tayo between Hub and Oryx. Come up next po is Mechanicals and Implieds. For the meantime, Oryx versus Hub na po tayo. Melvin, inbounding. Pero kung meron eh. Brian Dwight, score sir, 27-19. Laman po ng 8 ang The Hub. And Pulintan, zigzagging. Pulintan, palpal. Nice block. Masbang. No good. Masbangin. Nandun si D-Mac. Uy! Foul ang Gangad.
Committed by number
2:54 remaining.
penalty.
Penalty situation, Team Oryx.
Gakat, that is your second personal foul.
Gakad, Pangulo po ni Mr. Gakad. D-Mac again on the line.
Lima kulangan in the line. Shoot.
D-Mac kulangan. First shot. Pasok. D-Mac second throw. D-Mac second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Both basket made. Okay. The biggest lead so far now in the league is at 10 points by The Hub. 29-19. Pulintan. Belbit po posisyon. Natur. Mandon. Si Padua. Nandun si San Miguel. Keng Valdez. Malakas. Dado si Natur. Natur. Gakad again. Gakad. Masbang sa ilalim. 2 points. Dukot. 2:25 remaining. 29-21. Lamang po yung 8 ang Team The Hub. San Miguel. Najib. For 3. Pasok. Najib 3 points. 3 points Najib. Gakad again. Gakad. Palpal. One more time. Gakad na ipit. Foul si Najib. Okay, time out again by The Hub. Naubos yung Hub.
The first half.
Bay, kulang kasi sila. Dave Perido, nasan ka na? Beijing. Ha? Nasa traffic. Teprito, you're needed here. Where are you? Dami naghahanap si Rito. Yung The Five Families, naghahanap dito. The Five Families. Okay, coming up next po is Mechanicos and In Flights. Calling na both teams. Nasa na po kayo? Matatapos na po ang first half po ng larong ito. The Hub and Oryx basketball team. Black ball. 14 seconds shot clock. Sir. Okay, Gakad again. Gakad. Mag-best spread naman, huwag kayo mag-alala. And Pulintan. Melvin humingi ng bola. Masbang, tap away ang pasa sa kanya. Mo kinakalang and Sante Padua, Najib against Natur. Binitin, wala. Rebound by De Padua. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Masbang. Masbang, naka-rebound to Gakad. Gakad. Binababa ang bola. Nadera, naipit. Nadera. Uy, sa double traveling shot ng boss. Ano lang. Sir Brian Dwight, ang score po natin is 32-21. Labang na po ng 11 ang Ore, ang The Hub. Ano nangyari? Ano lang. Teka lang, buong ano. Atig.
Huwag pilitin.
Kailangan naubusan ng hangin. Naubusan ng hangin yata. Sige. Naano yata. Kinapos lang.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Okay, 1:26 remaining. Back to the ball game. D-Mac to Valdez. Valdez. 32-21 na score po natin. Naanto si Gakad. Same ball. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. 1:11 remaining.
5 to shoot.
D-Mac pops up. Foul call.
Foul number 16.
Okay, D-Mac. Al-Natur called for a foul. Tough break yan for Team Oryx. Patapos na po yung clock nila. Okay, D-Mac. First shot. Pasok. D-Mac second throw. D-Mac second free throw. 1:01 remaining. No good. Rebound by Gakad. Gakad again naka-rebound. Gakad naka-rebound. Gakad, binababa ang bola. Gakad. Naipin na konti. Pulintan for 3. Tapos. Melvin. Tapos. Nice. Hustle play ni Basbang.
11 seconds.
11 seconds remaining. Masbang. Nagpapabas na to Melvin. Melvin in line. 2 points. That's a rarity for Melvin. Tumitira yan. Bank shot. Pero yan, ringless Partida, ringless pa yan. 30-23. 25 seconds remaining. San Miguel. D-Mac, binabati sarado ni Melvin. D-Mac, pwede ba yung shot? No good. Rebound, battle won by the Black Shirts.
10 seconds.
10 seconds remaining. Pulintan. Up! 4 seconds remaining.
Okay, 4 seconds.
4 seconds remaining. Masbang! Malakas. Sayang. Okay, after 2 quarters, lamang po ang The Hub. The score is 33-23. A 10-point advantage by The Hub. Shoutout po from Julius Babagay. Shoutout Robas Big Tigas for the game. Mr. Welbin Nadera. Okay. Robas Tigas in play of the game.
Game.
Okay, after 2 quarters po, lamang po ng pito rather, sorry pa, lamang po ng pito rather po ang team The Hub. Dahil kasi merong penalty po, kaya nabuwasan po kaya po lamang nila, plus of course penalty shots po for Team Oryx. Kulang po kasi sila sa kanilang team ngayon. Dapat kasi minimum 10 po tayo para po wala sa ng penalty, pero kapos sila lang sa 3, kaya 3 shots po given also. Jodilax, nope, ayaw. Second shot. Second shot, Ruiz. It's out. Barbosa. It's in. Okay, tapos na yata. Tapos na. Dahil kasi please take note po, since na less than 10 po ang Team The Hub, meron po silang penalty. Minus 3 kagad sa kanilang kalamangan, plus penalty shots pa po during halftime. Kaya the score right now is 33-27. Okay. White ball po tayo, 33-27 po score natin. D-Mac for the inbound. Big D-Mac. Okay, D-Mac, eto na, San Miguel. San Miguel, binababa ang bola. De Padua, San Miguel. D-Mac, muntik na. Nandun si Labrado. Labrado ngayon, Labrado. 2 points. Si Labrado. Labrado. Ito na ba ang rally ng Oryx? We'll see. San Miguel. Ayun, kay Tirona, 2 points. Nice dukot play. Shoutout kay RJ Masbang, sabi ni Mr. Babagay. And Pulintan. Chudilax, Pulintan again. Out of bounds, same ball. Same ball po tayo, same ball.
14 seconds to shoot.
40 seconds remain, 40 seconds to shoot. Pulintan. Labrado. Ayun kay Masbang. 2 points. Uy! In and out. Malakas na yata ang bank. Uy! Foul call.
Identifier number 1, Pulintan. That is your second personal foul. First team foul.
Okay, Najib. D-Mac, nakalusot. D-Mac. D-Mac. Panapadwa. No good. Shudilak sa griba. Binato kagad. Labrado. Labrado. Malakas. Nice one. No good. Tirona. Tirona. No good. Masbang naka-rebound. 8:21 remaining. Mukhang photo finish yata itong laban na to. Okay, 8:15 remaining. 35-29. Laman po ng 6. Masbang for 3. Bang! 35-32. Okay, from the high of 10 points to 12 points rather. Now dwindled po ang kalamangan po ng Dahab po down to 3 points. And now, Masbang nice D on Mr. D-Mac. And Mr. Pulintan, binababa ang bola. Driving strong, Pulintan, palpal. Hop! Same ball. Nadikit. 14 second shot na again. Okay, anything goes on tayo sa nasabi nila. And Pulintan. Kick pass kay Labrado. Labrado. Masbang again. Pasok bola. 3 points. Okay, tabla na naman. 35 all. Courtesy of the long bag ni Masbang. San Miguel, 55. Tipadwa, 2 points. Nice shot by Tipadwa over Chudilak. 6:52 remaining. Labrado. Okay, Labrado. Now to Pulintan again. Pulintan, binababang bola. Masbang, pumposisyon na naman. Masbang, positioning. Position nga, Masbang. Kick pass kay Pulintan. Out of bounds. Same ball. Substitution po tayo. Okay. And Pulintan. Labrado. Pulintan again. Pulintan. 3 second violation. Tinawag. Nice call by the referee. 37-35 still. Lamang pa rin po ng dalawa ang Dahab over Oryx. 6:10 remaining. D-Mac. Tirona, naipit. Valdez, palpal. Tepadwa. Tirona, running shot, 2 points. 39-35 at 5:45 remaining. Labrado, number 14. Labrado. Natur, foul called. Sorry, stepping on the line pala. Okay, sabo na po. Chudilak, sinabas mo na para kay Gakad. Labrado. Pinabantay si D-Mac. Pinagay na ako kay Mr. San Miguel ang bola. San Miguel is Pulintan. San Miguel, naipit. Valdez for 3. Kapos. .5:14 remaining. Third quarter action. Nangalahati na. Pulintan. Gakad driving strong. Nope. It's last touch D-Mac of the leg.
14 seconds, jump back. 14 seconds to shoot.
Last touch D-Mac of the leg. Masbang. Lobis Pulintan. Pulintan, Natur, pumosisyon. Natur, driving strong. It's Labrado. Labrado. Masbang for 3. No good. Foul from behind. Labrado, tinawagan ng foul.
Okay, substitution.
Substitution made now.
Substitution.
Okay, Pulintan, nilabas muna para kay Eusebio. Sa kabila naman, pinagtipado, pinagpahinga para kay Nipit. San Miguel, 55, 4:27 remaining. San Miguel. San Miguel again. Dimac, Nipit. Valdez. Eusebio, Natur. Mataas ang pasa sa kanya, Natur. Eusebio. Eusebio. Natur, Tumasbang for 3. No, rebound by the black shirts. Gakad. Foul call. Nipit called for the foul. Inbounding po si Gakad.
First personal foul.
Gakad. Inbounding. Natur. Kapos. Foul call. Ang nagtiro na. Nice cut.
Foul number 19.
Number 19 called for the foul.
19 Perona. That is your first personal foul. Si 19 foul. Alador, no?
Okay, it's good.
In the drive.
Oh, 39-35. Ayun na, dumating sila. Again, steal completed. Labrado. Natur. Labrado, touch pass. Labrado again, Labrado. Labrado. Masbang. Gakad. Gakad. Op.
Okay, sa baba.
Sa baba. Foul sa baba.
Zero. Subdivision. Wala pa, wala pa. 13 pa.
Stand. Dito tayo. Tayo tayo dito.
Hello.
Defense! 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 Shoot that one! Shoot that one!
Sancho Matias Juan is watching. Masbang. First shot. Kapos. Ans po, sir? Ah, late. Okay, sorry. Second shot, no good.
Ang daming free throw.
Hindi, penalty kasi. Pag may mali dumating din. Nasa house rules kasi yan. Gakad, isin.
Ay, mo si sister.
Dumating na. Ayun, may mga rest back na. Yan si Perido. Second shot is good. Black ball.
Okay, shot clock 14 seconds. 14 seconds.
Okay, Masbang. Tugakad again. Tumasbang. Pops up for 3.
Masbang.
No good. Rebound by Nipit again. Perido against Gakad. Perido, nandiyan si Perido. And Dimac. Perido. Cake pass. Guina. Perido game. Perido. Ayusin Gakad. Dimac. No good. Labrado ngayon. Labrado nagmamadali. Labrado. Jolens. Ayaw. Dimac against Natur. Kinab. Nipit. Palpal. Gina. Palpal. Swipe away. Bustos dumating. And now, Gina. Gina against Masbang. Perido. Nakalusot. Perido, 39-37. Naipit. And same ball. Ay! Black ball, sabi. Black ball, sabi referee. It's black. Ball is black. Ball is black. Gakad, binababa ang bola. Gakad. Labrado. Labrado to Gakad. Gakad. Eusebio for 3. Nope. Rebound by D-Mac. Perido. Same ball. Okay, okay, nilabas muna yata. Nilabas muna si Masbang ni Mr. Melvin. Pinilak muna si Sabido. Si Sebren, pinilabas muna rin. Pinilak muna si Ruiz. Nipit. Double teamed. Tirona. Kick pass. Gina. Pops up for 3. No good. Gakad naka-rebound. Gakad. Pinasa kay Natur. Natur. Oh, foul on D-Mac. Napako na naman tayo. 39-37.
Number 28. First person.
Natur. Foul. Okay.
By number.
Shooting pal po yan.
Number 8.
Number 16, Natur shooting for 2. Substitution muna po tayo. De Padua, pasok muna. Para kay Tirona.
Number shooting for 2.
Natur again, shooting for 2. Pops up, Natur. Pasok. Isang na lang, kalamangan muli. Gina, nasa dulo. And of course, Natur, second throw. Pops up. No good. Rebound by D-Mac. Binato kay Gina. Gina, 2 points. Jolens. And timeout, Team Oryx. You're watching right now Team Oryx versus the Hub. Afterwards po is Mechanicals and In-Flights. Pagkatapos po is QR Projects versus the Sky Team. Pero meantime po, dito muna po tayo, Oryx versus the Hub. Ito po ang Aviation Friendly League, Dabas the Flying League.
12 seconds for the third quarter.
1:12 remaining, 41-38. 2 points to Gina earlier. Okay, Albert D. Marasigan, shoutout kay Sabido. Ang ganda ng blue ka na sapatos.
Pass to number 18.
Pilaw. Ruiz.
Number 29.
Pops up. No good. Rebound. Sabido. Stripped away. Foul called.
Foul on number 89. Number 89. Second personal foul.
49 seconds remaining. 41-38.
49 seconds.
Perido, floater shot, malakas. De Padua, Perido again, Perido. Najib, pops up, no good. Pops up, no good. Rebound by Najib. Nakariba si Najib.
14 seconds. 10 seconds.
Malakas. Take 2. 7 seconds remaining.
Number 18.
41-30 to score po natin at 7 seconds remaining. Di mo kailangan number 28 shooting for 2. Kapos. Second shot. D-Mac. D-Mac second throw. Both basket never made. Sabido. Sabido. Nice one by Pilao. I think it's in. It's in. Pasok yun, pasok yun. Okay, referee's checking. Okay, basket made.
1.2.
Lumipad si Pilao. Pilao, 2 points. Uy. Okay, final quarter coming up. 4-2 ang 4-2 po score natin. Lamang po ng isa ang team The Hub. Mamaya po, sige po natin po Mechanicals versus the In-Flights. Okay, back to the ball game. Pulintan, Chudilax, Labrado, Masbang, and Alnatur. And sa kabilaan po, of course, si Perido, D-Mac, De Padua, Terona, and si Valdez. Si Nitro, di pa pinapasok Labrado, Chudilax, sayang. Hindi handa, si Natur. 4-2-40 score po natin. 9:44 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Perido. Valdez. Perido again. Perido. Jamming show. Valdez. Valdez. Kick pass. D-Mac. Dilapit. Dilayon. Dilapit. 3-second violation. Tinawag ng referee. Pulintan. Masbang. Pops up. Bang! Okay, lamang na naman ang Oryx ng isa. 42-41. 9:05 remaining. Alex Soto is watching. Perido for 3. No good. Rebound battle, one by the black shirts. Pulintan. Natur. Natur. Labrado. Labrado. Natur. Natur. Kapos. De Padua. De Padua. Perido. No good. Masbang. Clear the boards. And again, Pulintan. Labrado again. Labrado. Good ball. Perido. 3-on-2. 3 points, Perido. Teka lang, Labrado.
Nagising kasi siya.
3 points, Perido. 44-42. Lamang na naman ng dalawa ang The Hub.
Shoot that ball. Shoot that ball.
Pulintan. Labrado. Pulintan. Uy! Wrong pass. D-Mac. Perido. Perido again. Nagis Pulintan. Tirona. Tirona. And one play binigay.
Very wrong. Very wrong.
Basket made. Again, 4 na naman ang kalamangan ng Team The Hub over Oryx. De Padua, number 28. De Padua, 28. First shot. Cup. Cup lang. Pasok. 47-42. Lamang muli ng 5. 7:43 remaining. Latour. Masbang for 3. Bang! 3 points Masbang. Masbang 3 points. Nagdala ng kanyon si Melvin. Ang pangalan niya Masbang.
7 minutes.
Masbang 3 points, 47-45. Perido again, Perido. Valdez. Nice D by the black shirts again. To tie the ball game. Pulintan. Masbang. Nope. Nawala ang bola. De Padua, D-Mac. D-Mac. Malakas. Uy! Up!
Okay, substitution.
Okay.
Substitution.
Okay, Gakad. Labas muna para kay Pulintan. Nice guard duty. 47-45, 6:51 remaining. Jonas Manapit is watching. Si Alex Manap. Roldan is watching also. Sergio po, nalog. And Latour. Masbang. Power move. Swept away. Masbang again. Pow!
Committed by number 28.
20.
Sino 28?
Dalawang 28 yan.
Di Padua.
De Padua. Foul on De Padua. Masbang. First shot. Kapos. Masbang second throw. Jumpers ready.
Sinatra.
Masbang second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. It's in. Perido. For 3 again. No. Rebound battle won by Palpal. Nice block by Latour. 47-46.
10 seconds to shoot.
Nice block. Kabit-kabit siya doon.
10 to shoot.
Uy.
14.
Again. 40 seconds again.
10 to shoot.
Perido. No good. Rebound by Masbang. No. Doon na to Masbang again. Masbang. Binababa na yung bola. Masbang. Labrado. Gakad. Gakad nakalusot. Gakad. Palpal. Tumasbang again. Masbang. Nope. Chudilax. Good ball. Chudilax. Natuto Chudilax. Uy.
Losing the ball.
D-Mac, 2 points. .13 remaining, 49-46. Laman ng tatlo. Chudilax mo posisyon. Kick pass kay Pulintan. Masbangan for 3. No, it's Chudilax. Chudilax. Nice block. Double teamed. Valdez. Perido again. Perido. Perido. Against Latour. Perido. Naipit. Nice block. Chudilax. Foul. Foul called on Perido.
7-7.
4:29 remaining.
Okay, substitution.
Okay. Okay, si Valdez nilabas muna para kay San Miguel. Chudilax shooting for 2.
Chudilax shooting for 2.
Chudilax shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in.
Yes, sir.
Second shot, Chudilax. Jumper ready. Chudilax, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Good basket made. 4:29 remaining. Perido.
Querido.
Binababa ang bola.
San Miguel.
Sa Miguel, naipit. Nice one. And Labrado. Labrado Jolens, 2 points. Lamang na naman ang Oryx. Timeout. They called for a timeout ang The Hub. Good ball. Okay. Timeout na called by The Hub. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now a ball game in our midst. This is your aviation friendly Dabas of Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors, Team LBC, Hanep Padra, and Thread the Needles. Sampo natin po dyan ang SPB, ARA, and PSB Basketball League. First game still being played between The Hub and Oryx. And coming up next po is Mechanicals and the In-Flights. In-Flights, where are you now?
Okay, back in the game.
Saan kayo? In-Flights, saan na?
Referee timeout. Both teams stick to the
Okay, back to the ball game. Muli po tayo, 4:01 remaining. Lamang na po muli ang the Oryx basketball team, the black shirts. Perido, binababa ang bola. Hoop, against Gakad. Double team. Perido against Natur. Natur, binabati si Perido. Nakalusot. Naipit. Gepardo called for a foul. Gakad. Gakad called for a foul. Number 8, Gakad. Gakad. Perido. Against Masbang. Difficult shot. Rebound battle war by the black shirts. Nope. It's Spirit. Tirona. Nandun. And black ball. Sabi. Black ball. Sabi ng referee. Black ball. It's black. And Gakad. 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 Binababa ang bola. Masbang. Masbang nga. Masbang. Turnaround shot by Masbang. No good. Uy! Halata ka ng boss. Call for the foul. Okay, Julius Babaga. May pa-message sa atin dito. Sabi nito, shoutout po kay Kuya Jonas Manapat. Perido, binababa ang bola. Perido. Perido, naipit. Perido again. Okay, binalabas muna. San Miguel, Dimac, naipit. Dimac, may pader na nag-aantay. Sarado ang pinto. $49.50, 2:47 remaining. Labrado, Dimac, Labrado. Uy! Foul on San Miguel. Labrado, 2:42 remaining. 49-50 score po natin. Number 3, Gakad. Lost the ball, good ball. Masbang again, Masbang hook shot, foul called. Tirona called for a foul. Tirona second personal foul, 14 foul. And Masbang shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. Dalawang kalamangan po ng hub ng Oryx. Second shot, Masbang. To extend the lead to 3 points. Pops up. It's in. 49-52. Okay, Sabuna Valdez pinasok na. Perido setting up the pace. 2:20 remaining, fourth quarter action. Naipit, walang pinasahan. Natur zigzagging its way. Natur dilabas muna, nando si Perido. Pirido, 2 points, Pirido. Turn around.
What will be?
51-52. 1:55 remaining. Photo finish nga to. Tol sinabi ko kanina. Gaka, Dosable. Che Dulax. Chu Dulax. Wala.
One minute and 35 seconds.
Perido. Tirona. Tirona. Uy!
However, 77. That is 77 seconds of foul.
Okay, foul on Mr. Chu Dulax. Hard foul yun. D-Mac, 51-52. Tirona again. Perido for 2. Nope. Rebound, D-Mac. Sa baba.
14 half penalty.
14. Sabi niya, Demi, good luck po, half lounge. Oy, Demi, nasan ka na? Di ka laro dito. Okay, D-Mac shooting for 2. Photo finish nga. D-Mac, first shot. Pasok, tabla. D-Mac, second throw. D-Mac, second throw, jumpers ready. 1:17 remaining. Both basket made. And timeout called by Team Oryx. Okay, lamang muli po ang The Hub. Interesting facts po, pag natalo po ang Oryx dito, we will have a possible triple tie sa 5-2. Dahil si Oryx ang aviation, ang Airport United, 5-2 na po yan. Magtatabla sila ng Oryx if they lose this game.
Both teams are eliminated. Okay, back to 1 minute.
Okay, 1:17 remaining. 1:17 remaining. 40-second shot clock, Biligay. O, kabila daw, dito raw.
Okay, 1 minute and 17 seconds. 14 shot clock.
Masbang. At Gakad! Balakas.
Foul number 0. Valdez, pushing foul.
Shotitan pa shoutout naman sa Hub Lounges. Sabi ni Mr. Shotitan. Okay, sabi ni Demi, busy daw siya parate. Okay, napapayaman yan si Mr. Demi. Gakad, first shot. Uy! Naano yung tatay kasi.
Second round.
Nakonsing yung tatay. Umiyak kasi anak eh. Okay, basket mate. Tabla po tayo. 53 all. 1:11 remaining. Pirido. Tinawid ang bola. Against Gakad again. Gakad, Pirido, Tirona. Binabantayan.
1 minute. Push shot clock.
Labrado, binabantayan. Sa 2 points. 2 points, Valdez. 49 seconds remaining. Chu Dulax. Gakad again. Natur. Al Natur. Masbang. Masbang again. Uy, sayang, sabi niya. Okay, 59, 55, 53, 35 seconds remaining. Masbang shooting for 2. Masbang shooting for 2. First shot. It's out. Second shot, jumpers ready. Masbang, second throw, pops up. Both basket made. 55-54. Valdez. Pirido again, yung skipper nila. Pirido, ang pinakapitan nilang yun. Pirido. Si D-Mac, pinapatay nila Brado. D-Mac, pops up, D-Mac. 2 points, D-Mac. Time out. Overtime. Si D-Mac lang pala ang kasagutan. D-Mac is the answer.
Level
11 seconds na anak. 11 seconds.
Last time out.
Hop.
Points. Tatlo. Alabanan. 11 seconds. Back with open.
Off the basket, D-Mac.
11
11
seconds.
seconds remaining. 57, 54. Ano, quick 2 or 3-point play? We'll see. Final 11 seconds remaining. Masbang. Gakad. Masbang. Masbang. Nope. Oy, foul called.
Now number 67 to the left.
Judy Lax called for a foul.
3 seconds.
57-54. 3 seconds remaining. Depadua shooting for 2. Okay, insurance basket for Team The Hub. Pops up. It's in. Second shot, Depadua. Depadua, second throw. Intentional miss. Okay, that's it. Congratulations. Winner by 4 points, 58-54 final score. Yan po ang Team The Hub. Okay, teka lang ha. Okay, final score po 58-54. Panalo po ang The Hub. With it, maraming salamat sila po. And stand by po sa aking next game po between In-Flights and Mechanicos.